everyone, Donut here. Look how fucking cool that is. Today we're going to be taking a look at a video that includes a pucker factor of over 9,000 and also extremely good, accurate, well-placed shots. We just had the one-tap video where the guy was holding the baby hostage and the officer dome-pieced him. Now we have another video, this time with a pistol and a suspect who jumps out of his car and starts shooting at the officer. This incident took place in Gillette, Wyoming. November 13th, Officer Jeff Sanders goes to pull over 31-year-old suspect Cody Ammon. The officer stops approximately 47 feet behind the suspect. The suspect jumps out of his car and instantly starts shooting at the officer.
Get in the car! Right now!
The suspect manages to actually hit the officer's vehicle in the front and in the door exactly where the officer was standing. Tactics-wise, they teach you in the police academy you don't ever want to stay in your car. They call it the tomb. Because if you stay in it, bullets are going to go right through it and they're probably going to hit you. Officer did a damn fine job. He jumped out of his car. He returned fire instantly.
Gillette 220 gateway.
Get in the car! Right now! Shots fired, shots fired.
The suspect, being the genius that he is, turns around and runs away from his cover up to a hill beside the road. Pops off one more shot that also misses the officer. At this point, he's about 100 feet away from the officer. The officer squeezes off 3 rounds, 2 of them hitting the suspect and mortally wounding him.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Them accurate 100 feet pistol shots though. This was a shorter video, but it's fantastic for training. I had to make it. Everyone, I'm going to be over at twitch.tv/donutoperator as soon as this video is released. If you could, come hang out. And as always, have a fantastic day.